Complacency leads to failure and stagnation, and more on stagnation in the next audio or video message. But in this video, guys, in this podcast, actually, we're going to focus on something of incredible importance, and that is market move expansion. And this matter is so important that I would call it the most important message of 2024, because if you guys are learning how to trade, how to capture 10, 20, 30x trades, this is what you need to know. Now, this is not the first memo that I have elaborated on as far as the market move expansion, but most of you have missed the memo so many times, and I realize it by the number of calls we're getting today at 13 market moves. The phone is blowing up non-stop. I need to hire some more coaches here. I need to hire some more traders. I need to hire some more researchers, because today, on January 30th, it is all of a sudden apparent to the majority of the market participants that the market, oh shit, it's going down. Oh shit, Nvidia can drop 20 points. Oh fuck, Microsoft can go down too. The market complacency for some people is the greatest market opportunity, and that's what we do here at 13 Market Moves. When the market gets too complacent, we take notice. We study the fucking charts. We bring it to you a step ahead before it is obvious to the rest of the market participants. We do it just a step ahead, enough for you to profit on these fucking trades. Now, I've talked about this move expansion. Guys, 13 Market Moves, we study market moves. We have statistics analysis on 13 market moves and chart patterns. Okay, 13 market moves is 13 chart patterns, a variation that market create on any given day. And when a sequence happens, it gives you a higher probability of an outcome on the following trading day. So within that lies a great opportunity for those that take the time to study and understand it. Now, the market move expansion, guys, it is a very, very rare day. Let me tell you how rare this shit actually is. Now, it used to be a lot more frequent, but market move expansion has not happened in over a year. That's how important today is. And to quantify a market move expansion, I will say this, and I would even call it, so it would be clear to everyone that is listening that market could expand in either direction. It could expand to the upside, it could expand to the downside. We have not had a situation where market has dropped to the magnitude of 60 points in over a year. 13 months, the market has not made a move of more than 60 points to the downside. Now, there are instances in 2023 where the market has made a move expansion to the upside, to the magnitude of 80 points, 100 points, but nothing like what we're used to from, multiple years prior to that. So this insane move contraction to where the market moves on a daily basis. I even posted the video and saying like, hey, the market is fucking controlled by AI. But we as human traders here at 13 Market Moves, because we pay fucking attention, okay? Because we study the charts, not the noise that they produce in the news daily. We study the fucking charts. We stay committed to the charts. Yes, we could be off in a market crash by 3 days, but we fucking get it. Do you know why we get it? Because we never deviate from the plan. Somebody asked me last Thursday, well, Leo, the crash ain't happening. What are you going to do if it doesn't happen for a few days? I said, well, I'm going to fucking keep doing the same shit that I've done on Thursday last week, which buy a lot of fucking SPY puts, buy a lot of NASDAQ puts, buy a lot of oil puts, buy a lot of shit that today paid out handsomely. Okay, but the question is, how do you get that level of conviction? Well, it's by understanding the move expansion. The move expansion was way overdue, guys. It was way overdue. But now the fact that we're dropping 80 points official today, January 30th, okay? Everything we have talked about here in 13 Market Moves in the last 30 days just became a reality. You may be saying, well, Leo, you've been talking about it for the last 30 days. Okay, but it didn't seem probable. It didn't seem likely. It seemed like market kept going higher every day, 5 to 10, 20 fucking points. And that's exactly my point. You're not going to be able to make a ton of money on market moving 5, 10, 20 points a day, even though it sets highs every day. It's only driven by one sector. But for the purpose of this discussion, let's focus on the size of the moves, right? So 5, 10, 20 points to the upside, even if you're a bull and the market keeps going higher every day, doesn't make you a lot of money in the context of trading directional options, okay? Because options need a much bigger move to gain some traction. So this is a simple question. Do you think you would make more money on a 5 or 10 or 20 point move to the upside? Or would you make a lot more fucking money on an 80 point move to the downside, especially when the time frame of the moves happens within the last fucking hour of trading? So when the market drops by 80 points or more within 60 minutes, okay, it communicates to you two things, okay? The market move is expanding to the downside, and it is expanding to the downside at such a speed in which finally options, put options that is, will accelerate an appreciation at the speed of light, okay? And so come tomorrow, it may not be the same market criteria for you to be short in it unless you know exactly what the fuck you're doing. And this is where the 13 Market Moves coach come and play, right? But bottom line is this, okay? Don't attempt to short this market at the lows, because I promise you it's going to bounce on you and you're going to have a bad entry and you're going to say, fuck it, this shit, I thought it was dropping. And just the moment you get out of your fucking puts, guess what's going to happen? The market's going to collapse even more and you're going to be bitching, well, fuck, I don't have my short position anymore. Oh my God, fuck, look at this. I could be making all this money. And instead you're just fucking bitching and whining and crying. Okay. And a sure way to avoid that is to call us here at 13 Market Moves, guys. Hopefully you can get through to a coach, talk to someone here, guys. We were taking calls till fucking 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday, and thank God we did, because it helped a lot of traders nail some of the best trades today. But guys, I'm just saying, from a psychological standpoint, you cannot give up on yourself as a trader. I will tell you a story. I had a guy, actually 2 guys that quit. One quit yesterday. The guy had a 100K account. He quits yesterday. You know why? He puts an order on oil puts, and then I send the guy a message to go ahead and I put a limit order. Well, he clicks something anyways. He cancels out the trade. He's out of oil puts right before oil puts pay. And he says, you know what, fuck it. I'm just so frustrated. I can't take this shit anymore. I'm done. And the guy quits right the day before the market move expansion, okay? And bear with me, because there is a greater message for those of you trying to understand, well, what happens after the fucking move expansion day, right? That's what you're here for. You're here to understand, not here just to preach about, hey, we've been telling you the shit is going to happen. Okay, now that happened, okay, what do you do next? I'm about to reveal that to you, but just bear with me, because the psychological aspect is incredibly important, right? So this guy quits the day before market moves expansion. He believes that the market's going to go down. He believes that, hey, everything we talk about here at 13 Market Moves for the last month, that it is real, it is going to become true. And then yet yesterday he says, you know what, fuck it, I can't do it anymore. I am done, okay? And so he quits before $1 million payout. This guy would have made over $1 million today. He quit the day before. I have another guy this morning, okay, that basically quit. So I have 2 guys, and this is just how I know, right? You got to read beyond the charts, beyond everything. Like, I work with traders on a daily basis, thousands of traders in my lifetime. So I know when there is like extra signals, right? When we get some fucking hate mails from people saying, oh yeah, you're fucking saying market's gonna go up the market's gonna crash and the market keeps going up every fucking day. Yes, I love that. Please send us some fucking more hate mail. I love that kind of shit, because it's the best indicator that's saying, hey, you're so close that this market could break at any given fucking moment. And that's just a cherry on top of the fucking cake when I get those extra signals, right? So some of you guys that were sending some of these messages, we were able to convert you into highly profitable traders today on January 30th, because you took the right side of the fucking trade. Fuck yeah, congratulations. Now, for the rest of you that were staying on the sidelines, for the rest of you that didn't have your account ready, for the rest of you that didn't call the 13 Market Moves coach yesterday, for the rest of you that are still sitting right now, jerking off, looking at this fucking market dropping, okay, you should have fucking called us yesterday. And right now, instead of fucking jerking off, you would have been with a fine, beautiful woman. Okay, because that's the kind of market we're talking about. We're talking about a fucking massive, explosive opportunity that gets you everything else you've ever wanted in life outside of fucking trading. Okay, this is the kind of fucking market. This is the kind of opportunity. This is what market move expansion will do to you guys. It will turn your life upside down in a beautiful fucking way. So, yeah, that was a weird analogy, but hey, it should hit the right guy that's been just fucking sitting there, just doing fucking nothing, watching our videos, not taking any action. Yes, this message is for you, motherfucker. You should have called us yesterday. But guess what? It's not too late. It's not too late because of what I'm about to reveal to you. That is why it is not too late. It's not too late because you should know what comes after market move expansion. So basically, I'll show you how it looks on the charts. I'll break it in, like I'll draw some shit out, guys. I'll post another video on this market move expansion in the next few hours. But this in this podcast, guys, I just want you to understand that market move expansion is a huge deal. This is what we pride ourselves here at 13 Market Moves for discovering before the rest of the market does, that allows us to get into put positions at a way cheaper price before anybody else fucking does. And what happens next is of incredible importance. So what happens after market move expansion day one is expect a bounce. So most of you are like, oh, we're ready to fucking short. Leo, fuck, I'm calling you guys now. I'm ready to short. Hold your horses, okay? This is not the fucking time to short. Okay, wait up. Okay, you want to catch the bounce because the market, after it does its initial move expansion, and again, don't miss the next few videos because I'll show you how that actually progresses on the chart. But it's important to understand that from an 80-point move that we got today on S&P 500, we're looking at getting a 140 to 160 point drop in not so distant future. Leo, what is not so distant future? A month? No. In the next 72 hours. In the next 72 hours of trading, there's going to be a moment where the market is just going to collapse the fuck out, 140 to 160 points. And as far as studying the time frame of when that can happen, right? Well, today the market collapsed the fuck out, basically most of the points within just a fraction of the trading day. So that is why I'm not recommending for anyone to catch that bounce on your own. This is why I recommend to trade with a 13 Market Moves coach, because you need to be highly precise. I had a trader that called me today after I gave him an alert, and he's like, Leo, I missed it. I said, what do you mean? You didn't get into SPY puts when S&P 500 shot up to like 49.24 after the Fed reserve announcement in the meeting? When fucking Powell gets all unglued and admits that fucking Federal Reserve is fucking clueless. Oh, you missed that part. Well, it's a separate video coming out on that. But guys, he calls and he says, Leo, after you send the message, I was ready to take the trade, but it took me 6 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes. And within 6 minutes, the market was already down 40, 50 points. And so what kind of trade is that? He missed the whole fucking trade because he was 6 minutes too slow. You cannot be 6 minutes too slow in this market, guys. 6 minutes means a century in a market that moves. I have a guy, I'm giving this fucking trade when S&P jumps to that level, that bounce. Guys, short the bounce, right? Short the bounce. 49.23, 49.24. I sent this guy the trade. I'm like, hey, buy SPY puts 487. They're going for pennies on the dollar. The guy would have gone 20x. Instead, well, I don't hear from him. I'm assuming the guy got into a trade. So, guys, when you sign up to trade with Coach, make sure you send the fucking pictures, because turns out the guy could not get filled. You know why he couldn't get filled? Because he wasn't paying close attention to the fucking videos I've been posting this month. Okay? He missed the video where I talked about when market moves, you do not ever put a limit order. You go, when market is moving, guess what you do? You fucking buy market. And when it comes to SPY, guys, the spread is so low on SPY. Why would you ever fucking want to put a limit order on a SPY on a day when the market is fucking doing a move expansion, on a day when the market can move an exponential number of points compared to the prior trading sessions? Why would you fucking do that? Well, you wouldn't have done that. Okay, if you send that, if this guy would have sent me a quick picture saying, hey, Leo, I cannot get filled, do you think I would have not helped him get filled like fucking seconds after I got that message? Well, instead, the guy doesn't say anything to me. So I'm assuming he is in this trade. And the guy came in today with like $2,500. The guy should be sitting at $38,000. Okay, but he didn't get filled. And 10 minutes later, I'm sending him a message. I'm like, hey, dude, send me pictures on this trade. I want to make sure you're in. The guy sends me a message saying like, dude, I cannot get filled because I tried to buy it at limit and it didn't work and it kept dropping and I didn't want to chase it. You didn't want to chase a fucking 80-point drop in the last 60 minutes of trading. What the fuck are you talking about? From 2K to your 38,000, you didn't want to. Man, all you had to do was send me a message saying, Leo, I can't get filled. Help. Say, put a fucking market order now. Get it done. And that's it. That's the difference between $2,000 and 38,000. Guys, market is moving fast. You got to be moving at the speed of light right now. Okay, you got to be listening to your coach. Your coach tells you to jump off the fucking bridge without any bungee jump cables and without any fucking security. You fucking do it. Okay, because it's a market move expansion day. You don't fuck around on the market move expansion day. You say, yes, sir, I'm fucking in. I'm flying off the motherfucking bridge. That's how you go from 2K to 38,000. Damn, I don't know how else to explain it. This shit, life comes down to just a few opportunities, just a few moments like this where you nail the shit that, you know, you talk about it. You know it's fucking coming. You know you could be a few days off, but on the day, you fucking show up. And you fucking do it. You do the same shit that you've been doing in the expectation of your calculations. And this is how you beat the fucking markets. But you cannot beat the markets if you're 6 minutes late. You cannot beat the markets if you're fucking trying to place a limit order on a day on a move expansion. And that's why you should trade with a 13 Market Moves coach, damn it. And when you come to trade with a 13 Market Moves coach, okay, let's hope we still, man, oh boy, thank God that we had, I told you, me personally, I had 2 traders quit. So I've got 2 opens. They're going to feel like at a fucking speed of light right now. But what I'm telling you guys is, you know, there are moments in the market where it is just absolutely clear. Here to us at 13 Market Moves, what's going to happen next? Right now, I got 100%, maybe even 110% read on the market, guys. And the only difference is, guys, you need to understand that, guys, it's moments like this that you cannot afford to miss. It is moments like this that you should be striving for, the trader, catching those fucking moments, catching those 20, 30 Xers, okay? Doesn't matter where you are right now. Everything is possible with a move expansion, guys. Everything is fucking possible. So let's hope by the time you dial us, okay, we'll have a spot for you to trade with a coach. And let's hope that you're not going to make the same mistakes that you've done yesterday, but not calling us. Let's hope you're not going to make the same mistakes when your coach sends you a trade, that you're not going to fucking think about it twice, wait 6 fucking minutes. Oh, yeah, it's dropping. Okay, let me buy it now. Yeah, now you waited 6 minutes. You're fucking paying 10 times more than what we just paid for it 6 minutes before that. So every second matters when the market is moving. And, guys, it is critical that now you understand what happens next. So in a move expansion, you're going to get a pause, you're going to get a small bounce, you're going to get some kind of reaction that's going to be the opposite to the bigger reaction. As you remember, the initial reaction today to the move was the move to the upside. So the move to the upside initially qualifies it for a move 9, where the market initially goes higher after the Federal Reserve announcement and then it dumps. It's exactly what happened today. It's a move 9. It's the second move 9 we're getting, and now we get a move 9 that is actually accompanied compared to the last move 9 we got, which was last Federal Reserve minutes. Now this move is of much greater magnitude. And so this move of much greater magnitude, guys, is everything you need to understand about further market move expansion. So this is what it means. Let me just spell it out. Market will drop for 8 fucking days straight. 8 days straight, market will fucking drop. Okay, so learn how to make money when market drop. Okay, the market will not bounce out of this gloom and doom until next Friday. Next Friday, you will get a move 4. So until then, we trade move 2, move 11, move 3. We got to trade all of these red moves until next Friday. Next Friday, guys, is going to be a move 4. And that's when you go and you buy the shit out of calls. And that's going to catch also a lot of market participants off guard. That's going to catch a lot of you that by next Friday going to be used to the market dropping. Just like most of you just got used and complacent to the market going higher every day. You will get used to the market dropping over the next 8 days every fucking day. And when it's going to be time to buy calls, you're going to be like, oh, Leo, I cannot be buying calls right now. And it's going to be the same fucking guys that could not buy puts yesterday. Why? Well, because, Leo, I'm listening to the news. I'm listening to the bullshit. They fucking brainwashed me that the market's going to go higher and higher. Leo, I don't know how to look at the fucking chart. Leo, I don't have enough money to spend on your charts course. Leo, I don't have time to study the 13 market moves. That's why your fucking trading account ain't going fucking nowhere. Yes, I said it. Get off your ass. Get our charts course. Get our 13 market moves course. Trade with a coach. Get rid of your fucking emotions. Emotions will kill you in trading. Emotions will kill good trades. You will jump out of a good trade right before the fucking trade pays you out. Okay? And I've done it for so fucking long. And a lot of our coaches done it here for longer than me. So we're wise enough to fucking understand not to do those kind of mistakes. Just because the market goes high and makes new highs every day, that's not a reason to buy it. That's a reason to short it. So congratulations of you to those that took a leap of faith. It sure feels good to look at your account and it's fucking 28x higher today than what it was yesterday. And so at this point, you're probably wondering, well, how good can these get? Leo, can I hit 100x right here? That's what you guys are wondering. And for those of you that are trading with me, you know the answer to that. And for those of you that are thinking, well, shit, I just missed on a 20x, 28x. What can I do? Leo, what? Fuck, I told you what you need to do. Study the charts course, sign up with a coach, okay, and nail the next 8 trading days. That's what you need to do. Move expansion is a powerful thing. It's a directional move expansion to where the market only used to expand in 2023 to the upside, and now it is expanding to the downside. And still, just by a fucking miracle, you may be able to catch those options cheap enough tomorrow to where you could still profit in a huge way by the time Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday comes. Guys, I will encourage any one of you that's listening to this message to take this market move expansion extremely seriously, okay, and set up your account the right way. As there are huge moves that will happen like after hours, and if you don't have your account set up for futures, trading options on futures, you will miss that. So call us, guys. We're here to help you. We want you to have your account set up correctly so you wouldn't miss out on some killer trades on oil, on gold, on S&P futures after hours, on NASDAQ futures after hours, on a lot of things that happen after hours pre-market that a normal trader doesn't capture. A normal trader is going to wake up and just say, oh, fuck, the market is down again. Or he's going to say, oh my God, we're in the green. Yeah, I'm buying calls. Just to find out a few seconds later that the market is collapsing. For those of you that bought calls after the market, after the Fed, you guys, man, fuck. Tough shit. You should have called 13 market moves yesterday. But it's not too late. You should do today what you should have fucking done yesterday, guys. Simple as that. So you can still put together some phenomenal trades. But if you wait another day, if you wait a couple more days, those options on the put side, they're going to go through the roof. Through the roof. And that's the point when you're going to call 13 market moves and be like, fuck, we're fucking so booked. We cannot take any more students anymore because we're busy cashing out of our trades. And that's when most of you will call us when you're like, Leo, I don't believe the market's going to crash for 8 days. There's no way the market's going to crash for 8 days. Are you fucking crazy? They're going to be buying the dip tomorrow. And it's going to look like for a second, oh, there's a green candle. There's another green candle. Oh, shit. There's fucking 13 red candles in a row right after that. That's what happened today in the last hour of trading, right? So for those of you that like paying attention to the wrong candle color, green, red. Well, it's okay. It's just one red. What was another red? Oh, it's okay. It's just another red one. Oh shit! Red. Oh my God! How somebody buy my calls? I'm getting the fuck out. And nobody wants to buy your calls because you're fucked. At that point, you're so fucked. You're like, man, fuck. I'm calling 13 market moves. And you're like, but they're going to be buying the deep. But no. I'll call them next week if they're right. And you'll fucking call us next week. The fucking markets are going to be so below the current level. And we're like, save me, please. I'm blowing my account. Please. 13 market moves. Help me, somebody. Jennifer, please sign me up with her. Guys, fucking every moment in the market matters right now. Every day in the market matters. For those of you that called us yesterday, you're fucking happy. Congratulations, okay? For those of you that were thinking about calling us yesterday and didn't, okay, don't miss the chance to call us today. That's all. So go to 13mmtv.com. Enough bullshit. I'm going to get to my computer, guys. I've taken a break. I went to work out. So I'm going to get to my computer in next couple hours, and I'll record some charts. I'm going to explain this phenomena for a expansion of the move because it is incredibly important. So just to summarize everything, the market has not expanded the move to the downside beyond 60 points in over a year. Now that it's actually taken place, and it's taken place at a pivotal point such as fucking Powell completely losing it today and admitting that Fed don't know what the fuck they're doing. And by the way, guys, this is not some new information. I have posted this information that this is the year when the Fed loses credibility. I have posted that information like a while back. Like in the beginning of the year, the first 3 days of the year, I've been posting nothing but videos on high inflation, slower growth, stagflation, and what it could mean to the market. And now, guys, this is just the beginning of it. You have not even witnessed the full capacity of this move expansion and what's about to fucking transpire. So it's not too late. So this is the message I hope for those of you that missed. Yes, I'm getting on your ass. I wish you guys would have done it yesterday, but it's not too late. That's the message. I want you guys to make it big. And so stop doubting yourself. Stop doubting 13 market moves. Stop listening to all the naysayers. This is possible. This is possible for you. And if you believe it is possible for you, you fucking call us right fucking now. Make it happen. 2024 is your fucking year. Let's roll.